I'm on this one.
Don't even know what me talk about.
I don't know why you're coming out here to the Aussie Mac Ball for.
I mean, so they said it.
And guess what I find, guys? I find Bammy. So you know it's a Bammy no go up on the steam fish today. Yeah. Which one type best month? No, yeah, you did. No. No. No.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is actually Monday. Welcome to a weekly vlog again. If you're new to the channel, my name is Keneisha, and over here we do a little bit of everything, whether it be home decor, organizing, cleaning, family oriented videos, and most of all, just keeping it our authentic self over here. So you can always know that over here you're coming to see real. When I'm talking about something or when I'm doing something, but you always get real emotion over here. So with that being said, please go ahead and consider subscribing if you haven't already subscribed. Like this video, share this video, and drop a comment under the comment section as well. So today again, another week of vlog. I'm actually out getting ready to go out. I'm actually leaving out right now because Troy and Tavana is already in the vehicle. We're heading out to Tavana's other dental appointment. If you had watched the previous video, you'll see that she did one last week and she's doing the other one this week. So we're heading out right now, and then we're going to drop her to school. And then after that, we're going to be heading off to the dealership because we actually have a recall on my vehicle. So let's go. Alright guys, so we had to come back to the house. I already dropped off Tavania. Everything went well. She left her at school and it was perfectly fine. I had to come back to the house for several things. One, as I told you before, that I'm going down by Honda dealership because I have a recall on my vehicle. Again, they don't have any cars for us to drive back home, so I had to come home for Troy to get his vehicle to, so 12 hours to drive down there, and then I leave my vehicle and we drive back his, come home. Also, I left, I don't know if you remember the key fob that I bought. It can't fit my keys, so I have to send that back. I have to return it, and I totally forgot that because I wanted to return it before I go to the dealership. But I left that, and I left my fruits because I'm also on, like a lot of things in this video, I'm also on a fruits and vegetable only diet for the rest of February. So I'm trying to keep on that. So today's the first day of it. I had only some, like literally four strawberries this morning, and then Troy packed me some strawberries and an apple, and we totally left it in the kitchen. So I have to come back and get that too. So we're actually on our way right now to the dealership. Alright guys, so went to the appointment. Them claims the parts them not ready yet. The man let me know said based on the letter is saying that letter says that even though there's a recall, we'll get another letter to say that the parts are ready. The parts not ready yet. So tell me now, we made this appointment last week. Why didn't you not say that the parts are not ready? Why would you make the appointments? Tell me how that makes sense. Why would you not make that? Why would you not say that the parts are not ready? Why would you make the appointment for me to come down here today? Huh? Waste of time. I don't know what time today. Anyhow, I'm going back home because dry cleaning won't come with me on Whole Foods. So, I'll go home. Then can drop off in vehicle. And then we go together on Whole Foods. So that's what we're doing right now. That's what we're actually doing. Actually, I'm actually on the highway. So I see. Vegetable one. What is this? I try this, babes. I thought somebody name off. Look, no. Somebody name off all of this one now.
No, not even good. Take you out and add it to another one.
Look at my nice one now. How much for them? $7.54. Prime members get it for $6.79. I'm a Prime member.
So then you little bit.
That's when I add to it. If you want for card, one of them. This. One of them for card. And they're like so expensive. I cannot. String beans so expensive. Oh, look at papa. Spinach. And it's a kale. For the regular small spinach. Oh, baby spinach over there.
Huh? Dates? Oh, okay. It's 4/11/24. Okay. Alright.
That's okay.
Well, even though because it's underneath the greens, you can't see it that well either. Yeah, so that's 2/11/24. You're welcome.
Alright. I need a
Oh, the text.
spinach, avocado ranch. This is a salad mix. You want to have one of this. These look old. And a romaine salad mix. They're not bad. They're not bad. I'm gonna go with this. Can you fish today? And you steam fish today? If we do steam fish, well, what we need, nice. Huh? Okra? A piece of pumpkin? Drop a piece of pumpkin, nice. Okra, I'm not over here, sir. A string bean. Best string bean, Mr. Versa. Oh, broccoli eggs.
avocado there? No.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna buy the avocado, no?
Just, you would have more to check them in bills and see if them come in a good plan them something. Come on, yeah, market man. Check them back there too. I'm gonna look at some. And some bell peppers. Yeah, tell them back with them there. That one there. Yung masasang ba off na wala mo na nag-crush sila.
So, just 2 piece.
2 nice piece. Tadi buat nama panel look nice, na namin sila nice, kapan naman. That's not okra. No, but I just heard she just asked the man if I leave alone. Where would you find the okras? Yeah, so she never found it. Is he saying yes or no? You don't have any? Okay. Alright, come on. But I get a banana, yeah? And that's it. Huh? Okay. Banana, yeah? I'm gonna check to see if they're okra. I'm gonna send the okra over there. Yes, babes.
Got the one there? This
Uh-huh.
one, I think.
Which one? This looks good. Look on it. Yes, look on that comparing to this. Them the Fluxy.
What Fluxy? Alright, let me
Which one
What
is
comparing to this?
That's good.
Them are green.
They're not green.
Keneisha, look at this. Let me tell you something. Let me teach you about banana. This when they look like this. Right, that's up. See there? You
I don't want them
find
so
good banana.
speckle. We can't eat them so soft.
In green, Keneisha, green banana. This. Green banana, this man. You never go to market for you know yourself.
Alright, take a picture. Alright, that's it. No. I don't think you can have them over there. One of them should have string bean. I forgot to call this for that.
Yeah, so when the picnic come over, the fish and get some.
They don't eat the fish. We have to figure out something else
No,
for
we
them.
go take off something off and give them like when they always eat it. So we go make it.
And then make some more food. They have more food.
The food.
The food done. The food almost done. Like,
I mean almost.
yeah, I just want a little bit left off. Let me check out the rest of something yesterday.
Some piece did every temperature and a half for a long time.
Come on and eat right there. But what we don't eat? So fish and the crackers.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
That's when we go eat all that.
Alright, let's go.
Have membership, right?
Yeah, but how do you prove that you have membership with Prime?
Number.
Prime number?
The number doesn't sit there, no.
I don't know.
Welcome. Please scan your course ID.
You can get them out ball in a session. Yeah, not. All of them are looking at here.
Hi. Yes, Troy, it's a hair store. Troy, it's a hair store. So that's what I'm telling you. They won't know. It's a hair store outside. They never said you're a mat store.
No, that's it. I don't know.
Hi.
Hey, I just hear product alone selling here. All right. I don't know if it's an haberdashery.
No, I'm fine. It says here.
You don't know the
It
name. No,
literally
so.
says hair store.
Yeah, name me, right? Haberdashery.
I'm on this
Man,
one.
don't even know what me talk
I
about.
don't know why you're coming out here to the ask him what for.
I mean, so if they said it, I want to keep not trying to make.
May I look for some Joy, pick up some black plastic over there, sir. Black plastic bands, the small ones. I'm gonna try to find some jam. Make sure you send out one that was easy for broke. As soon as you put it in there. So, Shannon, say I have a lady over there for help you.
She show me.
Okay. You're so aggressive. Hey, aggressive, so what else do you mean?
No, sir.
Close.
Me born the best month of the year.
Yeah.
I bet a few months up.
Which month you thinking, man?
Basically, she had tell me so she don't like me, you know. No, sir.
No.
See there. I'm gonna try best month.
No. It's not
when
a
I
good
best
month.
month. You tell me when I best month. I'm not gonna tell you no
Let
lie.
me see if she's smart. Which one's her best month? No, yeah, idiot. No. No. Nope. Nope. But you get the absence. January is the best month. What? You have to pay for this.
Hey, talk to her.
You have to pay for this and see
Talk to her.
You have to pay for this.
Talk to her.
You have to pay for this and see.
Talk to her.
Me say you have to
You
pay
know what? No go so for real. We are kindness set of people.
They have to love you first.
They save their money, you know.
They have to love you if you spend on you.
They save their money,
They
you know.
do.
And it's hard to come out, so.
Now, let me tell you, if they want to play around with you, you now get it. But once they're committed, at 22 years we are go. So I start get
So
January and December.
You know, so my mother December, my father December, they're nice.
But they're different parts of December though. The one born in latter part, your mother born closer to Christmas. Your mother Boxing Day. She nice.
Hey,
somebody December. They're quiet, you know.
Which part? It depends on which part December. Because I say you have the one that will rule in November and you have the one that will rule in January.
anybody when I know them girl you're born in 2000.
So it depends. It depends on which part of December.
Then two, yeah. Hey, my mother also. Don't see them too. You big pink one, I'm going to ask. See them there. See them there.
What I can tell you, so this one, yeah? The first time I meet him, he squeeze money in my pockets. Yeah. Because I didn't want to take it because we stubborn like that.
You know, take it back.
Eh? It depends on which part of January them born. Eh?
Could be.
Maybe. Maybe. What else do I want? I want this. You want to hear the last skits?
Yes.
I'm trying to think.
Go back here.
These are just different packaging, but it's the same thing as this one, yeah? That one, yeah.
Wild, bro.
As a packaging. You look, okay. Yeah? Fear ballad?
Yeah, wild, bro. This up.
Man, I make it start grow like a... Be careful that wild grown up babes. Hello. I need some of these ones. Mango. You have to prove to your woman say you spend money. Sure.
You prove the woman say you're not born in December.
Me not born in December.
I'm not part of January.
You have to prove me not born in
Listen,
man.
$9
Oh, these look cute. How much is one of these?
$149.
$149? It doesn't matter the brand?
If me ear can't stop growing, I come back or check.
So you have
That means say Baba them would have loved see me.
mango, peach, no cherry.
Oh. I didn't remember that I got that one in my hand.
Watermelon.
You see me have a stick in my hand, Keneisha, I know pay feet.
When I feel for something on the phone.
The next day.
Hey guys, it's the next day. It's right now 9:53 to be exact. I just dropped off the kids at school, just came back home, and I'm hungry. I am starving. I am dying. I am sneaker hungry right now. So I told you guys that I'm trying to do this vegetable and fruits only diet for February. I'm dying. I'm hungry. Man, try to hold up, but that one day, that first day, never so bad. I wake up this morning, my belly a tear out. Like what? This morning I want to do like an omelet with like spinach and some bell peppers and a little bit of avocado on the side, and drink some cranberry juice. That sounds good. So yesterday we went to Whole Foods, as you saw, and I got me some cherries, which is almost done because I had majority of that yesterday. I got me some cabbage or like cabbage mixed or whatever, not to make like Caesar salad and stuff, and that almost done because I had that for dinner yesterday. Grapes almost done because my them love grapes too, so that almost done. So I need to go back to the supermarket for some of that. And I bought the cabbage thingamajig. I bought some cherries. I bought me some broccoli. I also got me some avocados. I got me some, what else am I get? What else am I get? Some bell peppers. And I think that was it. I can't remember what else I got. I think that was it. Yeah, I think that was it. Yesterday I kind of did well with my diet. So in the morning I had some strawberries. I had some grapes and an apple. For lunch I had some Caesar salad. Kind of mixed it with some cranberry and some chicken nuggets. I had to get some protein, some chicken in my skin. I had to have some in my body. I did that, and I didn't eat anything else until in the night when I realized it was too late. I just got me some more cherries. I had some cherries in the daytime too. So today, as I said before, haven't eaten anything. I only drank some water this morning. So I am going to make me some omelet. The place is a mess, so I need to clean that up. I need to do some editing and some laundry. So it's a busy day today. Yesterday, I really did nothing. I was on the road and just chilling all day with Troy. So yeah, really didn't do anything. I went Friday, I don't want me to do no editing. Can't say I need to spend time. So yeah. So I'm not really doing anything yesterday. So yesterday was like just a breeze. Just go so. Ah, wait a minute. So let's see what we can do today. We're too young for lockdown with nobody. And I pray one day somebody keep your company. And a girl like me just wanna have fun and more money. But you a pre-relationship and that's a no for me. It's good I get you now my feelings. You couldn't get me for second down. Me give you a hit and run. Me give you a hit and run. Me the only one little dealings. Love it that look you must sit down. Me give you a hit and run. Me give you a hit and run. My youth, you take it too serious. Hey. Alright guys, I had the wrong pot. The pan was too small, so I couldn't get everything to be sealed, but that is my breakfast with some avocado, and my cranberry juice is finished, so I'm going to get a bottle of water. So I'm going to eat right now. I'm so hungry that I couldn't even get the presentation right now. When I said I'm hungry, so I'll see you in the next clip.
The next day.
You're welcome.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Hi, let me have 1 dozen donut, 6 glaze and 6 strawberry frosting.
You want a dozen donuts?
Yeah, 6 glaze.
And six
6 glaze and
strawberries?
yeah. And let
Okay.
me have a medium the strawberry dragon fruit refresher, please.
Medium strawberry. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, try it. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello guys, what is up? So it's the next day and I'm literally just, why do I keep saying that? And I'm just coming off the road. Dropped the kids at school, and obviously you saw where I went to the store, and I went to Dunkin' Donuts to get me something. So yesterday when I was coming home, and I actually had it in mind to do, but the kids asked for donuts and the traffic was just trafficking. So I told them that I will get it this morning for them. So when they come home, it's actually already here. So I went and I got some donuts. I got me a refresher, as you heard me ordering. And then I went to the store because today, even though I'm trying to do the fruits and vegetable only diet, I have to tweak a little bit of protein or something inside of it. I can't just go full-blown vegan style. I can't do it. It's my body is in withdrawal. You understand? So yesterday I had barbecue baked chicken with some steamed broccoli and carrot, and then I had some spinach on the side with an avocado. And that was good. That was filling to me, and some water. But today for breakfast, for today for dinner, that's where I was going with this. I want to do some steamed fish. So I was lacking some ingredients. So I went and I got my pumpkin, my Maggi, season up fish and all those good stuff. And, you know, I want to drop in a little bit of chocha today because of the vegetable. I already have Irish. I also got me some okra. I think I'm going to call it chocha something else, and I can't think of what I'm going to call it right now. But look it up. We said chocha. I think I'm going to say chocolate. I don't know. I don't remember what you guys call it. But chocha, what else did I get? Okra, pumpkin. I'm sure now. Instead of talking, let me just show you guys. All right, so I literally just spent $21.74. So yeah, I got me some more garden salad because the one that I bought on Monday is basically finished. I got me some tomatoes. Some okra as we call it. I got some corn as well. Just drop in the steamed fish. Yeah, steamed fish will turn up today. I got me some fish flavor soup it up. We will see this up, make sure I said I think this come with the what do you call it? The noodles. We don't want any noodles. So that, and I got some pumpkin to get some extra pumpkin flavor. And I also got me some fish season up. Yeah, it's gonna be well seasoned. This is the chocha. One single one. And then I got me a piece of pumpkin. So that's all I got. And then I have the refresher right here and some donuts for the kids. So what about this one? I'm not sprinkles on it. Why? Yeah, and I'm so tempted to eat one of these, but I'm not. Instead, I'm gonna have me some tuna with some of the garden salad. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna have for breakfast this morning. To be honest, the diet is not that bad, but you have to make sure you have stuff in the house to keep you going, you know? So it's hard to, and you know, it's a vegetable and fruits just go down and just gone. So you have to have a lot of that. And my kids, not necessarily kids, but for some reason, Tristan won fruits the other day. He was not a fruit lover. But he woke up yesterday asking for waffles with strawberry and all these good things. And I was like, oh, mommy, I forgot how good strawberry tastes. So now they might eat off all of the strawberry them. Savannah love grapes and fruits overall. So she eat off all of my fruits them. And yes, I bought enough, but like, throughout the day, I have nothing to snack on. So like, you know. So anywho, I'm not supposed to drink the refresher, but I feel a little bit of sugar in my body right now. So I'm gonna do my tuna and some garden salad, and that'll be breakfast. I didn't do any laundry yesterday. Instead, I did a lot of editing. So the video that you guys will be watching on Sunday is what I just edited. So I need to do some laundry and some straightening up today. And I want to take out the fish. I'm going to take out the fish for tar out before I totally forget about it. Kids are not really this type of... I'm going to do some red snapper. But the kids are not really a red snapper fan per se. But you know what? I'm going to eat it today. They're going to eat it today. So that's where I had more. I only see 3 right now. 3 of them. Didn't find no more. Alright, so I'm going to find no more fish. I have a little bit of shrimp just in case. The kids actually don't want the fish. I can actually do that. Matter of fact, I'm going to take it out so I can do that on the side. So I have a little bit of shrimp here. A half bag. And guess what I find, guys? I find bami. I find 2 packs of bami inside the fridge right now. There's another one right here. So you know the bami don't go up on the steamed fish today. Yeah. The steamed fish will turn up today. So we're gonna have bami, pumpkin, corn, Irish, carrots. What else will go in there? I can think of corn. I said corn. Okra, chocho. Yeah, I'm excited for my dinner later. So I'm not sure if I'm going to show you guys. Maybe I'm showing them. I don't know. Because I feel like this video is going to be a very long one. Guys, I want you guys to... I'm not seeing any comments under the comment section. And I'm not seeing any likes. So I'm assuming that you guys are not enjoying the video. Like, is that what I should be assuming? There needs to be interaction on the videos in order for YouTube to push them out, in order for me to grow. So I'm thinking all my OG subscribers are here wanting me to grow, right? You guys are here because you want me to grow. So like, if we're not liking the videos, at least send me something to say, hey Keneisha, I'd like to see this video or something. Let me see what I can do. And if you are enjoying the videos, because I'm seeing the views, if you are enjoying the videos, just hit a like, drop a comment, share the video, and help us grow together. Like, we need to start interacting. We need to send up some comment. We need to send up some likes. Like, we have to. These are the things that grows channel, okay? I don't want to sound like a salesperson over here. Like, please comment, please share, please subscribe. Even though that's what we do. But like, for OG people, I know that majority of you guys may watch us on TV. But you get a notification on your phone as well. So when you get a notification on your phone, and you can actually like on the TV as well. So you may not be able to comment, but you can like. And on your phone, just drop something like, great video, like the video, keep up the good work. Something helps me motivated as well. Like, this is not easy. You know what I mean? I mean, no, something nobody tell me to do it, but like, I'm still trying to entertain y'all while trying to do something for myself. So like, please, I guess, if that's what you want to hear. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Like the video, comment under the video, and share the video. Okay? Alright, maybe something to eat. I'm hungry.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.